In this video, we are going to learn how to make comments to our Voicethread. So here is the first slide of our The Best Way to Celebrate presentation. Remember that we created a number of identities. The identity that is displayed here is the identity that is going to be communicating whatever it is you want that identity to communicate. Let me show you. To comment, you need to click on the word comment here in the middle of the screen above the play button. You click on comment, and then you have a number of different options, different ways that you can comment on the content of the slide. You can phone in a comment. You can make a video comment using your computer's webcam. You can record a comment using your computer's microphone. You can type a comment using the keyboard, and you can upload a comment only if you have an enhanced version of Voicethread. We're going to start first by making a video comment. You click on the camera icon. Adobe Flash Player settings is going to pop up this window asking permission to access your camera and microphone. You click allow, and then it'll start a countdown and you start recording. I think the best way to celebrate a bar bat mitzvah is with family. You stop recording. I think the best way to celebrate a bar bat mitzvah is with family. And it plays it back. You like the way it sounds, you click save. That's how you make a video recording. If you want the next person, let's say Sarah, to make a comment, you change the identity, and then you can record what she is going to say with the microphone. Click on the record. I think the best way to celebrate my bat mitzvah is with my friends. It plays back, and then you can save it, and there you have the video comment and the audio comment. You can also type a comment by clicking to mark the next icon, ask you if you want to upload an identity, a picture. You can do it later. Then you type, my favorite way is by doing a social action project. And then you save it. And there you have Mark's comment. Another way of making a comment is to call it in. If you are in a situation where your microphone on your computer isn't working, or alternatively, if your classroom is very noisy and the microphone will pick up all of the other kids talking while one child or one student is recording, you can have Voicethread call you, and you can make your comment by the telephone. All you do is you click on the phone icon, you type in your phone number, and they will call you, and then you follow the prompts as you leave your message. It's actually sort of fun to play with. I encourage you to experiment. Here are a few other Voicethread highlights that I think you'll find really useful. If you take your cursor and you move it into the center of the image in the middle of your presentation or your text, you'll see that it converts itself into a magnifying glass with a plus in the middle. If you click in the middle of the image, it zooms in, turns it into a magnifying glass with a minus sign. If you click out, that's where it goes. It goes out. Another thing you should notice is at the bottom, there are 3 segments here. Each of these segments represent a comment made by a distinct identity. This is Peter. This is Sarah. This is Mark. Each comment appears here in the order in which it was recorded. And I'm going to show you that now. So let's say Sarah wishes to make a comment after Mark completes his statement. First thing you do is make sure that Sarah's icon appears. Then you click on the mode of commenting, whether it's the microphone or the camera or typing, which is what we're choosing. And Sarah is going to type, I like the parties too. Before you click save, I want you to notice that a wheel appears, a wheel with a number of different colors. This is called, in Voicethread speak, the doodler. It allows you to create a stylus which helps you to highlight a word or a phrase in the text, or if you want to highlight a portion of an image, or even if you want to write something. So Sarah likes parties. So she's choosing the color red, and she's going to circle the word parties. And then she's going to choose the color green, and she's going to write the word yay. And then you click save. And now we can watch what Sarah wrote. Remember that each of these segments represent a different comment. This is Sarah's second comment. We click here. It starts to play. She likes parties too. And then the word parties is circled. And her enthusiasm for partying is expressed as she writes the word yay. The comments appear in the order that they were written. And that's it. That's the basics of Voicethread commenting. There's a lot more that you could discover watching their tutorials and their help center. In our next video, we're going to show you what you do with your completed presentation, how you publish it, how you configure it, how you share it. Stay tuned.